Hello everyone, welcome to another video from TutorialsInHand, and in this video we are going to learn how we can make a circular text loading animation in Figma. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, to make the text loading animation we have to create the text. So here we are firstly will create a text eat sleep code repeat. So first of all, let us create the text. This is the text which we have created. Then we will click on this text, right click on it, go to this plugins, and within this plugins we will find the plugin called as arc. If you don't find this plugin here, go to this find more plugins and search by this name. Okay, so once you click on this plugin, you will see a pop-up over here like this. So here in the bend strength, write 94. So this is what it will create, and after you can see this circular text, click on apply. So as you can see, this has created a bend text. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to put it away from your main screen, and like for now, as for our reference, we are going to change the color of this text. Yes, we have changed it. Now what we will do, we have to create a frame. So we will click on this frame and we will draw a frame over here. For now, our frame width has to be 500 and height has to be 500. It will be a perfect square. Okay, now what we will do, we will drag our component over here, and now this is what it looks like. So now in the left panel you can see within this frame 1 we have this group item. Okay, now we will duplicate these frames and create few more. Fine. Now what we have to do, in the frame 2 we have to select on this circular text. Within this group in the right side we have to write minus 90. So it will rotate our frame by minus 90 degree. In the third frame we have to write minus 180, and in the fourth frame we have to write minus 270. Okay, so our different states have been created, and now we have to do the prototyping. So for the prototyping part, we will click on this prototype in the right panel over here. We will select the first frame, we will link it with the second. After a delay of 1 millisecond, it will be smart animate linear, and it will happen in 300 milliseconds. Okay, so from the second to the third one, after a delay of 1 millisecond, smart animate linear 300 millisecond. From third to fourth, after delay 1 millisecond, smart animate linear 300 millisecond. And as this loop will continue for infinite time, so from the last one, like from the last frame, we have to again prototype the first one. So now this will continue in a loop. Again, after delay of 1 millisecond, smart animate linear 300 milliseconds. Okay, so our prototyping is done. Now let's see if our animation works properly or not. So we have started the emulation. Let's see. So as you can see, our text loading animation is working fine. Now this is happening a bit faster. So if you want, you can reduce the speed. So to reduce the speed, we have to click on each of this and reduce this time like 300 milliseconds, and we can hereby do it. So let's do it. For the first one, for the last one, we will do it in 2000 milliseconds, that is 2 seconds. For the first one also we will do it in 2000 milliseconds. For the second to third one also we will do it in 2000 milliseconds. And from the third to fourth one also we will do it in 2000 milliseconds. Okay, so this time it should be a little slow and should look far better. So let's see the emulation again. So as you can see now, this time the circular animation is happening a bit slow and it looks very proper now. So this is what we wanted to create. So if you like this video, please like this video and hit the subscribe button. And in case you are interested to learn Figma with us, please stay tuned. We are going to bring far better videos in the upcoming future. And I hope you have liked this. So this is all for now. See you in the next video. Bye.